Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation as well as in English this generic name given in Italian to hot chili peppers, specifically some regional cultivars that they have in Italy. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian this would be said peperoncini. You would have noticed that the C is pronounced like CH, as is common before the letter I in Italian. Peperoncini, and you do want to stress on this cheese syllable. Peperoncini is how they would say it in Italy, but it'd be fine in English to call them peperoncini, peperoncini, or in Italian peperoncini. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce all of those delicious produce that we love from Italy and all cooking terms and delicious dishes that they have in Italy that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. See you there. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.